As programming continues to be a big deal in modern society, many people are investing a lot of money to learn coding. At the same time, some people are learning to code for free. Yes, with the right resources, you can learn how to build websites, create apps, and pursue a career as a programmer. Even if you want to do it for fun, it's not out of place. In this video, we'll highlight the top 10 platforms to learn code for free. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Number 1. W3 Schools. This platform is one of the best places where you can learn coding, watch tutorials, and explore resources to help you learn to code. Once you choose a programming language, you can select a learning option and get into the lectures. The best way to use this platform is to attempt a quiz that gauges your knowledge of coding and what you need to learn. You can also test yourself by attempting the short exercises and examples you find at every learning stage. On W3 Schools, you can find a vast range of programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, Java and PHP, HTML, CSS, and more. Number 2. FreeCodeCamp. This program centers on creating a community and building relationships among programmers for their education and development. On FreeCodeCamp, you can participate in challenges, accessing programming tools to assist you with the challenge, and move to the next level once you pass. On this coding platform, you can learn a lot of skills like React.js, CSS, databases, Node.js, JavaScript, Git and GitHub, and more. Number 3. EDX. EDX is a large higher education learning platform that caters to over 5 million students. It has a professionally categorized system that is not limited to coding. For learners, the best category to explore is computer science, which teaches you how to code several languages. EDX has tutorials for coding skills like Java, HTML and CSS, C++, jQuery, SQL, Python. It also has tutorials for mobile apps development. As an open source platform, tutorials and content are free. However, you can invest in a certified course where you will get a certificate upon completion. Number 4. Coursera. Coursera is an exceptional website for beginners to learn coding for free. It has a body of professional coding tutorials, courses, and resources to cater to beginners and lead up to more advanced courses. What makes Coursera exceptional is the fact that most classes on this website are taught by real experts from respectable institutions, including professors from the University of London, Colorado, Michigan, Stanford. All courses are free on this platform. However, if you want a certificate, you have to pay a fee. Number 5. Codecademy. Unlike Coursera, Codecademy doesn't have real-life teachers to take you through the science of coding. However, it has a massive body of materials and resources to help you learn coding on your own. So far, over 20 million people have developed their coding skills on this platform by exploring a variety of programming languages. Alongside free learning, Codecademy has an interactive learning approach that helps you to practice what you learn. Visit Codecademy to learn Python, CSS, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, and more. Number 6. Udemy. If you are seeking a website that has all the latest programming courses and languages, Udemy is where you should go. The platform offers online courses in both free and paid categories for learning languages like data structure and algorithms, Python, Java, and JavaScript. Udemy allows anyone to publish content, so pay attention to ratings on every course to see how well or poorly they rate before taking them. Number 7. Udacity. Udacity platform provides several courses on developing, including iOS, Android, and front-end development. You can find all the course materials on this platform for free and sharpen your skills as a developer. Each course has video lectures, exercises, assignments, quizzes, and coding projects. Udacity also offers some courses created by famous companies like Facebook and Google on its website for free. On Udacity, you can learn and earn nanodegrees that teach you programming skills like data science, iOS development, machine learning, and Android development. Number 8. SoloLearn. SoloLearn is a mobile-friendly platform where you can learn coding from the beginner to advanced levels. You can download the app or use the website to access all the popular programming courses and languages. SoloLearn also has a forum for discussions, where you can ask questions about your course if you encounter a difficulty. Also, you'll find a blog that publishes the latest and most relevant information about coding. Some programming languages you can learn on SoloLearn are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, jQuery, and PHP. You can also learn C, C++, Python, Java, Ruby, and Swift. Number 9. Hacker.io. Hacker.io is a platform with lots of programming courses and languages for your learning pleasure. The first step to exploring this website is to select your most preferred course, scan through the list of tutorials, and choose the ones you want. The next step is to choose whether you want the paid or free lecture in beginner or advanced levels. You can explore the roadmap section on this platform and find out the recommended path for developing your skills in an organized manner. Hacker.io also has a blog that answers user questions and publishes relevant tips and information on several coding languages. Number 10. Team Treehouse. Team Treehouse approaches coding and program development in a project-based manner, unlike many other coding platforms you find. The platform has some of the most structured and qualitative courses, prepared by expert instructors and experienced teachers. Team Treehouse is great for people interested in learning coding from a beginner level with a straightforward learning pattern. You can learn data analysis, WordPress, iOS development, front-end development, back-end development, and Android development, and other programming languages on this platform. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the Dev Show YouTube channel to see more content like this.